नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है शिवम ओजन, आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत। So today we have a really special guest with us, Mr. Vishal Mimani. How are you, sir? Welcome to the channel.
I'm doing very good, Shivam, and it's such a pleasure connecting with you here.
To tell the audience, sir is the founder of of an organization, Fly Higher (FHI). So I had been volunteering it for the past 2 to 3 years, and it has been a great experience for me. So थोड़ा आप अपनी organization के बारे में बताओ कि है किसके बारे में?
Okay, firstly, Shivam, it was such a delight having you volunteer with us. तो आपके जैसे कई लोग जो हैं हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं एंड फ्लाई हायर एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कनेक्ट करता है अंडर प्रिविलेज चिल्ड्रंस को हम जैसे लोगों के साथ में जो कुछ समय बिता सकते हैं टू बी एबल टू डेवलप दीज किड्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ देयर ओवरऑल स्किल्स.
Hmm.
So Fly Hire start हुई थी करीबन 3 years back in Bangalore where I live in. Where on एक visit किया था मैंने एक orphanage में and I realized कि the kind of enjoyment the kids were having just जो मैं समय उनके साथ बिता रहा था उसके साथ में they wanted to play with me, they wanted to know new things, they wanted to just cling on to me and probably they just felt a little special कि कोई उनसे मिलने आया है. तो वहीं से जो है एक काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ सीड वाज प्लांटेड इन माय हेड एंड आई जस्ट थॉट कि कि क्यों ना एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बना दिया जाए वेयर मोर एंड मोर पीपल कम एंड स्पेंड टाइम विद दीस किड्स एंड मीनिंगफुल टाइम. तो अब क्या हमने एट फ्लाई हायर वी कंडक्ट लॉट ऑफ लाइफ स्किल्स एक्टिविटी वर्कशॉप्स वेयर दीस किड्स बेनिफिट फ्रॉम आवर टाइम एज वेल एंड इट्स फन फॉर अस जस्ट एज वेल आल्सो. तो हम जो वॉलंटियर्स जुड़ते हैं हमारे लिए भी ये काफी एक enjoyable एक्सपीरियंस है. And it's not just about going and giving a chocolate to a child, but it's actually trying to develop them so that they can buy their own chocolate in due course in life also. तो yes, बस उसी पर्पस से ये पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिल्ड किया गया था टू empower, to support and not to help. So I kind of like really give a lot of differentiation between these two words, support and help. So we are not here to help, we are here to support them so that they can help themselves. Yeah.
करेक्ट. सो मतलब इस वीडियो के माध्यम से आई वांट टू इंस्पायर ऑल ऑफ यू वाचिंग कि हाँ यार, सर ने इस उस लेवल पे किया है फॉर द सोसाइटी एंड फॉर अस एंड फॉर हिमसेल्फ एज वेल. तो आप भी कर सकते हैं, डेफिनेटली मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, आप भी कर सकते हैं, हम अपने लेवल पे कर सकते हैं. सर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा मेरा ये है कि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस फॉर यू? मतलब एक एक एंगल तो है कि आप मतलब सोसाइटी को कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हो, पर एक और एंगल है कि आपको भी डेफिनेटली उसमें हैप्पीनेस जरूर मिलती होगी. सो व्हाट डज
Mm.
हैप्पीनेस मीन टू यू?
So Shivam, it's a very good question, and my answer is a little different from what usually people probably give. For me, happiness is a very temporary word. आज आपने मुझे अच्छे से मेरे साथ बात की, अच्छा इंटरव्यू हुआ, I feel happy, but then it's very short-lived. After probably an hour or 2 hours or maybe tomorrow, I'll forget about it. So for me, the better word I feel is fulfillment, where I feel fulfilled for the kind of work that I have done, whether it is this interview, and it gives me a much lasting impression in my self and my kind of like heart, that I feel fulfilled about it. And for me, happiness is more this fulfillment which I feel of contentment in me कि हाँ मैंने कुछ बहुत अच्छा किया कुछ so it just gives a very different kind of a feeling inside. So yeah, so yes, for me, I don't relate so much with the word happiness because I feel in life also we need to experience everything.
या
Whether it's sadness, whether it's happiness, whether it's some kind of like of course there are going to be people who will pass and we will feel sad about it because they were very close to us. But that's how life cycle is. There will be times when we will not get what we want, so that will make us low as well. So we cannot be happy all the time, but if you can have this more contentment feeling in you, it just helps you go through even the low phases much better. So yes, I will say, okay, that contentment word is something which I feel more connected to.
आई एब्सोल्युटली एग्री टू यू सर, आई एब्सोल्युटली एग्री विद यू, बिकॉज एक लाइफ का सिस्टम होता है, एक फॉर्म होता है कि कोई बंदा 24/7 मतलब 365 डेज इन अ ईयर हैप्पी रह ही नहीं सकता. मतलब लाइफ का एक सॉर्ट ऑफ रूल ही है. सो इफ ही इज हैप्पी दैट्स ग्रेट, पर जब हम लो फेज में होते हैं, सबके आते हैं, सो उसमें कैसे डील करना होता है, दैट इज अनदर चैलेंज. सो सर, हाउ डू यू डील विद योर लोज?
Shivam, again, for me, my lows are not so difficult for me because, firstly, with all the kind of work that I do and I try to keep myself really, I don't get bored by myself.
हम्म,
कि मैं अकेला भी बैठा हूँ, मैं 1 घंटा बैठा हूँ, कुछ नहीं भी कर रहा हूँ, आई एम स्टिल इन अ गुड जोन। ये नहीं कि मुझे डिप्रेशन हो जा रही है, एंग्जाइटी हो जा रही है, वगैरह वगैरह। So, so as far as dealing with lows are concerned, you just need to condition your mind such, and kind of like experience life in very different facets. अभी suppose let's say अगर आप अभी CA की पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, या you're working something in account, doesn't mean that that's the only thing you should do in life. You're still you coming up to doing these interviews. You do a lot of fitness exercises, and so your curiosity to know more about it also increases. So when you have कि आप किसी एक चीज में अगर डिपेंडेंट हो और उसमें अगर कुछ खराब होता है, तो देन यू गेट इनटू लो फेज, राइट? सो यू कंडीशन योर माइंड सच दैट यू हैव अ मोर राउंडेड एंड ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस इन लाइफ, कि अच्छा कहीं पे दिमाग जो है आपका, यू कैन take it somewhere else by yourself. So yes, so for me, dealing with low phases is not very difficult, and I've seen so many people with such low phases. And when I compare myself and look at the underprivileged children that we work with, or up to our FHI platform is dealing with some 6,500 children across the country. So we are in 31 cities. So you hear such crazy stories of कितने लोगों की कितने सारे दुख भरे कहानियां रहती हैं, तो लगता है हमारे प्रॉब्लम से कुछ भी नहीं है। तो व्हाट इज आवर लोस, कि अगर अच्छा ठीक है एक जॉब इंटरव्यू दिया, जॉब नहीं मिला, तो वी बिकम रियली लो अबाउट इट, बट सो मेनी पीपल हु डोंट इवन गेट टू गो टू दैट इंटरव्यू. So for me, I really don't take these low phases as like really something which impacts me a lot.
आई एम एब्सोल्युटली गेटिंग यू सर, आई एम एब्सोल्युटली गेटिंग यू. बट सर जैसे जब मतलब मैं पर्सनली अपना एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता हूँ विद
हाँ.
एफएचआई ओनली. मतलब जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम गया था, आई आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जहाँ पर गया था, बट जो वॉलंटियर्स हैं दे हैव बिकम सच अ पार्ट ऑफ अ थिंग कि लाइक मेनी पीपल आर स्टिल कनेक्टेड टू मी. तो उनके साथ एक अच्छा बॉन्ड बन गया है. सो इट्स क्वाइट मतलब मजा आता है मतलब स्टेइंग कनेक्टेड. एंड जो वो वाला एक्सपीरियंस था, वी सैंग, वी डांस, वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट. इट वॉज लाइक अ हैप्पी प्लेस, अ हैप्पी मोमेंट. जो आप टेम्पररी हैप्पीनेस कहते हो वो डेफिनेटली था ही था वहाँ. बट ओवर अ लॉन्गर पोर्शन ऑफ टाइम, अगर पर्सनली मैं कहूँ कि वुड दे रिमेंबर कि हाँ यार शिवम आया था या नहीं आया था, आई डोंट थिंक सो. कि नहीं, क्योंकि इतने सारे लोग आए थे. सो वो फुलफिलमेंट आई डोंट थिंक पर्सनली था. तो उसमें आई वांट टू अप्रिशिएट यू कि आपने एक जो अभी प्लेटफॉर्म लाया था जहाँ पर लाइक वन पर्सन वाज कनेक्टिंग विद अ मेंटोर, एंड वो फिर मतलब लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन के लिए कनेक्ट कर रहा था. सो दैट वाज मतलब ग्रेट, काफी अच्छा था. तो उसके पीछे आपका थॉट प्रोसेस क्या था?
See, Shivam, I think there are some good things which have come out of the pandemic also.
हम्म,
Yes. कई सारी चीजें हैं जो हम सोच सकते हैं कि ये अच्छा नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, there's not personal connect happening, वगैरह वगैरह. But during the pandemic, we realized कि okay, now हम face to face या हम जाके interaction तो कर नहीं पा रहे. What can we do best as far as digitally connecting with these kids are concerned? Then this whole thing came, the whole program was thought of why don't we start a mentorship program where we can digitally being able to mentor these kids for a whole 1 year. And the mentors could be of people who little experienced people, who could be like say 27, 30, 35, 40 year olds who have experienced life better than someone much younger, and connect with these kids, and help them out, whether it's their career, it's trying to skill thing. If there could be some red flags as far as उनके life में कुछ ऐसा चल रहा है जो they cannot discuss it with their teacher or with a friend, so they can open up to a mentor. क्योंकि आपने सही बोला कि जब आप continuously किसी से आपका connection हो रहा है, तो then they feel far more comfortable with you. So it becomes important that we get to know about their life and how we can try and improve their lives. Like for example, one of my own mentee, jinko accounts ka having a problem, so I connected them with you.
yeah.
कि अगर आप उनको better समझा सके, because you are studying that and you are right now studying that also, so, you are more updated with the current account system than probably I would have been. So it's just like how beautifully this network works, and you can just like put people together. So it was a beautiful program which we are running, and several mentors across the country are having mentees who are benefiting from this program, which is a much long-lasting thing also.
I, I,
So
I,
yeah,
I feel that not only the mentees are getting helped here, even the mentors have channelized their energy
oh,
better.
most certainly,
Definitely, they're
most
also getting
certainly.
helped.
I feel there's more meaning to my life. Matlab, but it just gives you again that fulfillment wala feeling, like I was talking about yesterday,
Hmm.
that I could do something for someone.
Hmm.
So that's again amazing feeling. And then with no financial this thing, it's just about my own expertise. Is all I needed to give is some amount of time. So it's a very, very fulfilling experience.
Absolutely, sir. Also, it was earlier Fly Higher India, and now it's Fly Higher. So, what's the change behind that? Where have you gone
um,
internationally?
so it's funny that when we thought of Fly Higher India also, so again you will say fly higher is a very common general word. So we did not want to make it restrictive in any way, so that it's just open ended, that at any point of time anything we want to do with the organization can be incorporated in it. So हमने देखा, but ठीक है, हमने, that's why we kept it, we did not keep it something like okay, skill development India. So that means that we are restricted to only skill development. What if we want to do something else tomorrow? What if we want to do work with older people also? What if we want to work with people who may be working with disabilities? So that's again, that way fly higher was a little open ended, but India again made it a little restrictive. So recently we thought, if we open up tomorrow, who knows, and we are increasing in terms of number of volunteers that we have, with currently some 1700 volunteers across the country. There are so many people who have volunteered with us and who have now moved on to different countries, different cities, different some have got married and they have got settled there. But at some point of time, if they want to start something, whether it's in their city, whether it's in the country that they have moved in, so why not?
Absolutely,
So,
absolutely.
so that it becomes open ended rather than saying ki, okay, ab koi suppose Canada may wants to start, so we don't want it to again be restrictive to fly higher India in Canada. So,
Yes.
that doesn't sound too good. So we wanted to make it a little open-ended and as much inclusive as possible in all aspects.
Nice, nice, nice. So if say the person who's watching this wants to connect and as a volunteer maybe in FHI, so how can he do that? What's the simple step for doing that?
It's extremely simple. All you need to go is go to our website, which is www.flyhigherworld.org, and just go and register there. So once you register, you will be contacted by a city leader, depending on which city you are from, and then we'll take it forward from there.
Absolutely, sir. So one final message from your side from this video through this video to the audience.
One final message is the very simple thing that please invest some amount of your time in connecting with some non-profit and try to do something for, again, I'm not going to say society here because we all are part of the society also, but just try to do something for somebody who doesn't have that kind of like thing with them. So thoda sa time nikal ke wo kariye, the kind of satisfaction, the kind of happiness you will get is absolutely matlab, unmatched. So thoda sa time, and I'm not saying you need to join Fly Higher. There are so many other organizations. I'm sure Shivam will start one here because I see that potential in him also. So please join something. Just stay connected with what's happening around, and you will value your own life so much more. So yes, I totally encourage people to go out there and do something meaningful for
Yeah.
those who don't have one.
Thank you so much for joining in, sir. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure hosting you, sir. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much, Shivam. It was my pleasure too. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay.